I was invited to go to the meeting called the Global Taxonomy Initiative, and I went as New Zealand representative to that. It's a group of about 20-25 taxonomists from all over the world, and the Taxonomy Initiative was developing a strategy for capacity building globally, and so we were discussing how that strategy might work, how we might organise workshops and help to train people internationally in taxonomy, and then prepare the strategy to be considered by the advisory group that advises the Convention on Biological Diversity. And so the first meeting with the Global Taxonomy Initiative was 2 days, and that was followed by then a meeting of the representatives of 192 countries considering from a sort of scientific and policy point of view the strategy that we'd proposed, along with other things that were considered relevant to support the Convention on Biological Diversity. The initiative is to try to just basically increase the value given to taxonomy, the funding given to it by each country, and encouraging people to take up careers in taxonomy so that we can better get to understand the biodiversity that we need to conserve. So the strategy that was developed was considered by these 192 representatives, and we went through a process over parts of the following 5 days where countries were able to respond to that strategy. And it was interesting, my first experience of a United Nations sort of procedure where each country has the right to respond to each word of each paragraph, if you like, and it's a very laborious and long-winded process to get agreement. Occasionally when there's obvious disagreement between 2 or 3 or maybe a half dozen countries, those countries are pulled out and they sort out that little bit of text themselves, come back to the main meeting, and it goes on. But important to have a very experienced chair to actually keep the process moving and be as efficient as possible.